everyone. Today we are going to learn some new letter sounds and blend some new words together. So let's start. Our first new sound. This is a goat. At the beginning of the word it makes that G sound. And that is a G sound. So we have goat, G, G. Good. Our second sound. This is a kangaroo. What's the first sound you hear? I hear a K, K sound. So we have kangaroo, K, K. Good job, guys. Now we're going to practice blending some words together. So let's start with this word. So we have our G that makes the G sound. We have our A, which will make what sound? A short A sound, right? Because it's followed by a consonant and it's the only vowel. So we have A, and this S will make the S sound. Good, let's blend it together. G, A, S. G, A, gas, gas, gas. Good job, guys. We just blended the word gas. Let's try another one. So we have our K that makes the K sound. And our I will make the what sound? The short I sound, because it is followed by a consonant and it's the only vowel. So we'll make the I sound. And our D will make the D sound. So we have K, I, D, K, I, kid, kid, kid. Great job. We just blended the word kid. Awesome. Let's do one more. So we have, all right, let's try this one. So our G makes the G sound. Our A makes what sound? The short A sound, ah, because it is followed by a consonant and it's the only vowel. So we have ah, and B makes the B sound. So we have G, A, B, G, A, ga, B, ga, B, gab. Good job, guys. We just blended the word gab. Y'all are so awesome. So now I want you to go on Schoology and try to blend 3 of these words. Okay, I know you can do it. We know all of those sounds, so I know you can do it. Well, thanks for watching.